going to record. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Aaron and today I'm going to teach you how to do PPT, PowerPoint. So, how do you get into PPT? Basically, which is PowerPoint, just search for it and you get into here. We don't want to go these, but let's just start off with a blank presentation. Now here you can follow some designer's idea if you want to take these. Just press it, but look, you can also take designs, like, where is it? I'll put this low, no, so you can go here to design, press design, then you can choose anything, like you can choose this random one, and these are the themes, but these are the variants, so you can choose white, another white, you can choose black, right? Ignore that. You can also go with this design, or this design, this design, or this design, with this chalkboard over here. But let's start, if you like it, let's start with this one because this is my most favorite. And you can choose your variants, like this one and this one. Let's try doing this one. That's better. So first of all, we're going to do, so we don't want this, so let's ignore it. So if you really want it, then you can try if you want. Yeah, first. Okay. Ignore it. But it's your choice. For now, if you guys like blue, let's go on to that. Guys, let's do this one. No, it's fine. No. Let's actually do this one. Yeah. If you want, you can choose your design over here. It looks so It's good. Your choice. Damn, looks so good. You can choose this. Now, how do you write? You're wondering. So for writing, oh, we have picture format here too. Like you can see. Oh, why do we have that here? So we have just a blank presentation. Let's go to design. Let's choose this. What is priority? Now you're wondering, how can we use the text box? Where is it? This looks pitch black. Why do we use that's better? For that, we have to go towards the insert. And then here, see text box? Just press there. You have a team. See? And now put here, and now you can write here. Like, let's write about we come. Now my brother is going to join too. So he's just going to watch basically. So after that, you can write anything here. Let's do it. Let's say about hi there. I look at this. Sorry. It's for free. Hi there. Don't show that anywhere. Hi there. My name is Avner. Why not me? It's fine, okay? Hi. So, hi there, my name is Avner, okay? You see, you can go shape format, like A, let's go to stylish A. See? So, sorry. Wait, let's use this format. Hi there. My name is Avner. Period. Wait. Can change this hi. Oh yeah, that's better. I live Canada in whatever. Okay? And now if you want to make shapes, you can just do that here if you want. Like that. I want to make. And right back. Okay. Can I write that? It's fine. So, if you want to make now a new slide, go home. See, it says new slide. Go there. Or you can just do Control M to get a new one. So here, as you can see, click to add a title. Let's say Python, for example. Add Python title. Python. Python. Python is great. Python's great. Great. Let's just say Python great is not great. Okay. So we can just do Python is great. It's fun. If you go here, we have smart art, we have a chart, and let's just do chart right now. So see, this is a stacked column, and these are where we get to 3Ds. I know about that. We can do this one, okay? And see, we have also a list over here. Power. Look at my emotions. And also we have this chart design, so we can write black. Okay, we can say black right now. Oh, that looks good, doesn't that, guy? Now format. Now see, it's fun to use. Here we have our own color. Right? You can use green. Let's go down. Oh, black. Now, so you can use many colors. Okay. Now we can use Control M. Can you go to color? Color? No, leave it. I'm just showing. No. Now we want transitions. So just back to the first line. Transitions. We can use more. Grade. Yeah. I'll go to color. Oh, color where? Oh, here. Draw. You want draw, right? No, I want this color. Oh, you want this color. Wait, let me just teach them the transitions. So to design, I already told you, but transitions over here, we can use morph, effect options, objects, the words, or the characters. Same around the bars cut. There's an effect option for that. Through a black. But cut's not really that good. Morph is probably good, so let's do the words. Yeah, actually characters. Just to make a color. Okay, wait, we'll do that. Now for this one, here we have some animations. We can't use them right now. I don't know why. Probably. No, that doesn't work. So transitions, here we can use a push, effect options from left, from the right, or from the top. From the right or from the top. Okay. No, we don't need cut, so we can use reveal our effect options here if you want. Okay. Well, let's try smoothly through black from right. Okay. And then we can preview to see how good it is. Okay. So if you want to start the slideshow, you can start from the beginning our current slide, or present with the teams if you have one. Record, review something, your spelling or something, or let's check our in. Wait, a shape format we can use. Help if you need one. View, okay. But if you want to start the presentation, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, just start from the beginning, and here we go. See? And that's it. So it was really fun to use, okay? Like, not only that, you can insert pictures from online pictures are really good. Like, on a balloon. A background. Couldn't find any. Okay, we can use this, insert this over here. And see, we have a plane. Okay. And move this over there. And let's press enter. We can use a smart art where we can put a cycle. Okay, so on the cycle we can put our pets, like, and then Avner, Enver. It's like that. What about these two? It's fine. And then here, well, not only that, you can enter some icons if you want one. I don't like icons. So insert two and this is, and we all have it there. If you want, you can go here and go to 3D models and choose your animated models and put it, oh, my bad. 3D, where does it go? View all, here, insert one. Oh, head is also animated. It's the good thing. And you can move it. Can I move it, like this, or you can move it like that. Or you can insert some, we already did smarter, charts, like a line. Well, the best one so far is probably the surface. The surface. So what is surface? And this map. Map? What is map? So you can put the map here. Oh, we don't need. Okay. Look, it's moving, guys. And these pictures are powered by Bing, if you can see there, Bing chat. Okay? And you can change the color to black. You can design this format by having an outline. Like this, or like that. So you can go to our slideshow. Oh, wait. I think I just stopped sharing because I don't know where I was. I think it's this one. Yes. Yes! Finally, we made it! So, let's start from the beginning. Oh, my bad. Wait, okay. From the beginning. See? Then press enter. Okay, Python's great. This normal cycle we have. And you can see here, we have a heart. Not only that, well, we have the... So that's how you do a PPT if you really want it. It's really fun to use. Not only that, you can draw here, so you can use some drawing tools. I want to draw. Use your pencil. I want pencil. Pencil, let's try highlighter. And draw over here. And highlighter. Marker. A black marker. And in the slideshow, not only this, the best part about it is here. See this? You have, and then you can use eraser, highlighter, pen, and a laser point to point at what you're showing, like laser point. So, guys, that's how you do PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Oh, but I want to write some. Okay, I want to write something, yes. But I want to highlight. Okay, he wants to highlight. Here, take it. It was first. Okay, let me do it. Please do it. Okay. Okay, now go. So, I don't know, what are you gonna write? Oh, you're writing something nice, okay? Okay, the aeroplane. Okay. So thank everyone for listening about how to do PPT presentation, so PowerPoint presentation. Feel free if you have any questions, and I hope you like it, and bye. So like and subscribe. Exactly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye. Subscribe.